Hey there YouTube, just wanted to do a quick video about my Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to pick this up or not, but maybe you can see it better from the camera right there. Let me zoom in. Alright, so I just installed my Whitestone Dome screen protector, so you can see that cutout there for the camera. And actually, I gotta say the installation went pretty nice. I got no bubbles. I do got a bunch of fingerprints, but there's a story behind that. Alright, so here's my phone. There's my fingerprint reader. Now, look at that. No match. No match. No match. Huh. Use my left hand. No match. No match. And now I'm locked out. Now I do have my Face ID turned on, so let me unlock this real quick and show you guys. All this hype about this Whitestone Dome is crap. I was super excited to get this screen protector. Now let me show you here. Under the biometrics, I got 4 fingerprints added. Don't want you to see my pin. Okay, so anyway, I have 4 fingerprints added here. Now let me tell you guys, it took me about an hour and a half to register those 4 fingerprints. After I installed this, I deleted my fingerprints like they recommend, and I installed new ones, or re-registered new ones. And let me tell you guys, this is crap. This is absolute crap. Like I said, I would consider an amazing job at installing this screen protector, and this is what I get. Now I've registered my thumb, I registered my thumb, I've registered this finger, and Whitestone, I registered this finger. Nothing. No match. No match. No match. No match. Can't even get into my bank account with this. So, anyway, guys, love the phone, the S10 Plus. It's an amazing phone. It worked fine with the factory screen protector on it there, but unfortunately, the $50 I spent on this Whitestone Dome, I'm going to try to contact them and get my money back. And unfortunately, if you go to their website, unless, hey, drop a comment or something, let me know. I can't get a hold of them other than a email that says feedback@Whitestone Dome. So, sorry about the quick rant, but I see a lot of hype, a lot of people hyping these up on YouTube, and it's not working for me. I read a website, I think it was on Reddit. They said they use moisturizer on their hands, and guys, I even tried that. I went and moisturized my hands, and I gotta say it did help a little bit for registering the fingerprint, but it's still not reading it, guys. So there you go. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Maybe Whitestone Dome will see this and respond. Maybe I'll be able to get my money back. Thanks.